Hey guys, sorry for not recording for quite some time. This camera really does suck though. I just wanted to. But let's just say you're playing Gmod and you want to make a very advanced thing, like, I don't know, some kind of drawbridge that will not go down, but you need to make it really advanced. Well, I present to you this drawbridge. I just need to quickly freeze the drawbridge itself. And so the way this works, I'm right now pressing the key that would usually make it go down, but it won't. That's because of these, so you just have to break these, right? Simple task. Well, because this is a massive thing, you actually have to, like, go through a course to just break it. Which really does suck. Yeah. Huh. I think I protected that one way too much. But in any case, you get the idea, right? You just gotta break this. And then, boom. Drawbridge complete. And I just gotta... get rid of those. Anyways, now that the drawbridge is complete, we can lower it. As you can see, there's nothing behind it, but whatever, right? So this is the way to do it. So what you want to do, you want to find a suitable area. I'd recommend GM Construct for this kind of thing. Like right here, this is suitable. Get these plates, because unlike fences, you cannot shoot through them. You can actually shoot through fences, so if I were to spawn a fence, and then go into here and spawn a zombie. As you can see, oh no, wait, you can't really see it, but I have the Sanic up. I have a Sanic thing, so as you can see, I could perfectly shoot through the fence, which is not what we want. We want something that cannot be shot through. So if we spawn a fence and then a plate, we are going to test the difference. I think it's like, no, wait, no, like this big. I don't even know, but whatever, right? So by spawning this, let's begin to shoot at what is presumed to be the floor. And now if we take a look behind, you can see that this gets shot through, but this doesn't. So that's why we want the plates. They absorb bullets. So you just want to spawn a plate big enough to fit through this. Make sure it's actually big enough. Some of them are like that, like they're too big for the ceiling. This is a good size, right? Nope, does not even fit. I completely missed you. Hopefully you're not too big for the roof. Yeah, you're too big for the roof. Well, alright, there's an inside. Ah, stupid me. So let's spawn this. And so we're not going to be making a fading door kind of deal, because that's an add-on. We want to make it so that for people who are too worried about add-ons, you know, you could trust them, but not all of them are trustable. And so you just want to put a winch, and you want to rev it up, and these, you can actually make these in many ways, but all of them requires a padlock, a prison padlock. So you can spawn as many as you like. I'm just gonna spawn 3 just to show you them. So we have the first idea for the padlock. So we want to put that there. So the first idea will go to the bottom. And the second idea will go to the side where it will not harm any other padlock. And then the third idea will be all the way at the top. So then what you want to do, you want to go to construction, grab this or anything suitable, and then put it next to one. So let's test it. So let's spawn this, and let's quickly see its blast radius. Yeah, that's definitely not going to touch the others. You don't have to use like something breakable for the ultra protective one. You could use something unbreakable, but I'm just gonna make it easy. So let's use this breakable one and put it directly over it. And then this one's gonna be straight up exposed. And then what we want to do, we want to get something unbreakable, like this 1x1, and just put it directly next to this. So then what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to get weld the lock onto the door, and then weld the lock onto the floor. I'm gonna want to weld, boom, weld, boom. And then you want to grab this and weld. Then you want to grab this and weld it onto here. Grab this, weld it onto here. Grab this, weld it onto here. Grab this, weld it onto here. And grab this, weld it onto here. Grab this, weld it onto here. You get the point, right? What? Okay, fine, one sec. As I was saying before I got interrupted, this is pretty much the final product. As you can see, it's not going down. So let's just make this very climatic. I'm just hey hi oh hey lock, I will break this to get out. Oh no, there is other things. Let's, oh no, it does not work. I shall shoot this down. Oh boy, this still does not work. Let's break this. Oh boy. Now let's bring it down. Oh boy, I could get it. Alright, as you can see, very anticlimactic, but you know how these work now, right? So let's just say you want to make one ultra protective. Then the Fading Lord keypad deal is definitely your key. Get it? No, I'm just kidding. That was not a pun, but I think I hear something. Anyways, let's go here and put this here. Now we want to get dynamite. So, where's the dynamite? Here we go. Okay. Then we want to get a door as big as this. I think it's like a dot. Is it dot? Nope. So, unfortunately, those who want to make something super protective out of this, you're gonna need the padlock add-on. Those who want to make a protective, like very protective, but are afraid about like add-on rip-offs and that, well, you're unfortunately gonna have to download the keypad add-on to make this one. Is this one it? How many of there are gonna be that are fails? Oh, this one's it. It's just a little bit too tall, but whatever, right? So there we go. How about longer? It's technically. Yep, this one's it. Okay, so after you find your door, huh? What? Eh? Okay. Anyways, once you find your door, you want to get this, and then you just want to slap onto here. Get the weld it on. Don't weld it to the floor though. Get pad, and then just spawn as many as you like. I'm just gonna spawn 5. Okay, guys, so I just decided to do that one, undo that one, because it was kind of a little out, because you technically get the point, right? But let's just say you're trying to defend something like, I don't know, this tower. So then here comes the last and final design, and we're gonna put something good in there. So, we're not gonna do that. We are going to put down this. No, man, we want to actually be smart this time and put the winch first hand before we start anything else. So then we want to close this up, and then we want to close it up even more. So let's go. What is this? Is this breakable? No. But you just want to get some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's actually do this. Then let's just close this. Yeah, this is the best way to just quickly transport things. You can even press E on them, which allows you to pick them up. Is there anything else? Nope. So now let's close this up. And while okay, that's done. Now then we want to get this, and then that's pretty much it. It's just it isn't. Oh wait, there it is. Here's one. Kind of went too far. Oh wait, what? No, we really need that. Okay, so then comes the real piece of protection, which is something breakable, which will be on the inside, which will make it even more protective, or either that or just sheltered. So that's hard to break. It's just I recommend making the job easier, because then a lot of players trying to break it down would just end up raging. So, my goodness gracious, that gave me a heart attack. Or at least what felt like one, and it broke. Alright, we're gonna need a new one. And boom. So, I needed to freeze it first, but I was a complete moron and did not. So you just want to close it up with some of these, which will make it easier for it to not just go ahead and just blow up in your face deal, you know. So you just want to do this and do that and woohoo. You get the point, right? So I'm just gonna put these like these, and then we want to get this, and then just put it. Oh no, shit. Here. Then we want to get something as big as that. I think it's like a 3, right? Is that a 3, or is that too big? Or big enough to cover the lock too? Because that's what we're not after. Yeah, that's too big. So how about this? There we go. And like this. So, yeah, you just pretty much want to do this. And then weld this on. Weld this here, and boom. There we go. So now we got this working door. We can even unfreeze these. I don't even know where I froze this, so I'm just gonna press R, spam it even, and there we go. So, as you can see, cannot close, but if we were to break these, we could see that it would at least try to open. But because that is protected, it still won't, so we have to break that. You can make it more protective, it's just I wouldn't really recommend it. Now we have ourselves the working door that we all wanted. So, that's it for today. I hope you all really enjoyed this video. Now just enjoy as I try to contain and secure a Sanic. Because why not? Shut up! Shut up! Okay. that seriously what happens when you bass boost something? Green Hill Zone.
There has to be like some game mechanics up there. There's fucking speed bumps and shit.
Okay, that failed.
If you do very specific builds with that shit,
Alright guys, so that's it. I tried to contain Sanic. Apparently he can't because he somehow clips through walls. But I hope this information really helped you in your Gmod community. It's really nice to know you can actually do more with other items than just use them for protection. Such as using props for security kind of deal. As you can see, I'm trying to replicate one. But, you know, not the best at replicating things. So I hope this really helped you on whatever on earth you needed this information for. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.